Frustrated by the Setupui Library DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. Before the walkthrough for Setupui Library, note that a diagnostic resource for reviewing system references is linked below. This is the Setupui Library, the Setup User Interface module. It houses the localized icons, bitmaps, and localized string tables for the Windows installation and feature update wizards. If missing, the Windows setup screens may appear blank or report a resource load failure. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. The Setupui Library DLL library is a specialized component of the localized setup user interface system, and you must reinstall the program you are trying to open to restore the internal file structure if this file is missing. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Setupui Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Keep your personal information safe by avoiding third-party mirrors for Setupui Library DLL, which lack the encryption and security of verified official updates. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. For users interested in automation concepts, the Maintenance and Repair Kit linked below provides background information on managing Setupui Library. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Setupui Library. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.